Vice presidential today we wouldn't know when you know. Asantehene Neba Onine Matsu Kukuban Ende Buzinechi Waba Norobason Asantehene Abra Oroba Oye Betu Afashi
Mrs. Alma Kwarteng a team from the Ghana Tourism Authority wants to say, Ghana, Akasha can see fit to Akasha Wahata, but that was bad. No one's one in Yam was better age. It's in Yamana Kwaba. Essentially, our deputy clerks from the Parliament of Ghana, and they are here to represent the Speaker of Parliament. GNPC, Guinness Ghana, NIB, SICI, ABSA, Republic Bank Limited, ICAR, Casa Prepo Ghana Limited, Kekos Metropolitan Assembly, Ghana Tourism Development Company Limited, Gihog Distilleries, Irani Brothers, Ghana Gas, Dosh Solutions, Ojuma Solutions, Kudi Logistics, also Wabua, Koa, Research and Manufacturing Limited Company, Yadasi, Becky Kyei Bar and Restaurant, Petroleum Commission of Ghana, Lush on the Coast, BAC, a tradition of printing excellence, and it's a brochure Nibia, Baffour Kyei, Jermaine, what's up, my hand?
Yo, Ejibra can them so now the multimedia say. The multimedia so and Afasha Planning Committee, Image Bureau, and event planners and organizers. I want to work with my Image Bureau, a better winning around.
Special thank you also to Dr. James Collins Lindsay. Dr. Yejuma Mr. John Kwekusaki Inko. Waraso, Abua, Majumesi, Wakojo, Yadasa Papa, Fanti patrons, Oha, and that's the case in our area. Yes, we can't forget Goyle. Goyle is good energy is what I'm talking about. Margins ID Group, special thank you to you. Standard Bank. Standard Bank is fully on board. Lightweight e-healthcare solutions. GCB Bank PLC, thank you very much. And Miniplast to our Princess Tales Pub and Restaurant. Wakaru, there's our program. Special guest of honor, His Royal Majesty, Otunfo Waka, of St. On Serbia, Message News Last.
Okay, it was our full Sarah. Special guest of honor, so give you a few questions. How to leave your life and say, what's the honor? The Indian you know, the Indian now, a stroke. On check, reason the Russian said, one Sufuma, or how I can be. And it was strong. One to the foot. Now, I can shit with the assay. And will please, face your indulgence. Now that our special guest of honor is here, we entreat all of you to get a place to sit. Please, get a place to sit. Please, if you don't have... So we are entreating all of you.
So do Fonton from 4, one way to my man. Yakwa Fasha, or they yet Fonton from, or they yet say, there a ban or casa, indeed. What I ain't been there, Yakwa in a biaka.
And I once again will entreat all of you to please get a place to sit. Please sit down so that we can begin the program.
It's time to respect protocol. It is time to respect protocol. If you do not have accreditation to be in the plane, kindly move away. It is time to respect protocol. Thank you very much for understanding. Please.
You must share with you. All share it. Please follow. Get a place to sit, and then we will begin the program. Please get a place to sit.
Well, it's amazing the number of media partners we have in this premise. And so special thank you to all the accredited media stations who are here to project Owa to the world.
Yo, it was your fault, that's wrong. I want to Asantehene Council, Grim Honinara. That's wrong. They won't free home. Oh, yeah, go to for say to the second, but don't to the phone. Then so when you go, you are on to the phone. But it wasn't the Papa and son who are to the phone. It's the wrong. What you know, won't free home. Now, special guest of honor, go to for say to the second, go to the phone. National Police for please, the Ghana Police Service. Please, let's create space.
If you do not have accreditation, you do not come to this enclave, please.
Let's create space for the traditional artifacts to be brought to where the Asantehene is so that he can sit down. He needs these before he can sit down. So all those who are at the Asantehene enclave, please, we entreat you. If you are not supposed to be there, you don't have a seat, kindly leave. Kindly leave. So that Asantehene, who 2 4 6 to the second, can sit down. Please. please leave so that he can sit down. We beg of you. Please take your seats. Please, if you're not supposed to be there, leave that place. Thank you. And the Ghana Police Service, please ensure that the right thing is done. Thank you.
To say a big thank you to the 2024 Aseibu Planning Committee and the Board of Advisors, headed by Osabere Dr. Apesiata II, Nana Ekwaboji, the Sil Ogwabahima, Nana Kwekuyesi the First, Sanahin, Nana Meyaba the First, Pronti Hima of Ogwa traditional area, and the Futuba Hima. Nana Ejima the First, Nana Kwesejin the Second, and a JV in Kroma. They make up the advisory board, together with the planning committee, headed by Asantehene Charlotte Osei Esquire, Asantehene Joseph Abegununu, Supi George Kwame Edu, Mr. Rubin Banaman, Registrar, Supi Kwesi Eku, Dr. Lydia Zani Selby, Liza Azu, Asantehene Kojo Yamson, Elikot, Nana Kwarteng, Nanama Ejuba the First. Today we see this beautiful scene.
Okay, so Ghana Police Service, please help us. Let everybody leave so that the show can continue. So Ghana Police Service, please help us. We need all here from the Asantehene Council area, and even from the middle area here, so we can begin.
Well, a special thank you also to the Flex Foundation. Flex Foundation, yes. They have really held our back in putting this together. Obaman Ventures, Torchlight Tours, the official tour company supporting us this year, Obafe Tofashe at 60. Silicon House Productions, thank you very much. Madam Faustina Nelson, we appreciate your hard work and your support. Imesco Limited, Guinness Ghana, thank you very much. Echo Instrument Esquire, thank you very much. Madam Monica Misa, that's the baby. today. Dalali Zizienyo, thank you very much. Dennis Akayensu, thank you very much. Safuin Fifi Agri, Tegaba, and my very good self. And so, kindly do us the honest, if you want to grab a copy of the program, if you didn't have a copy, just go around and take a scan with your phone and get access to the QR code. Rights Protection Society as a sign of the treaty with the British government to abandon the Land Bill. And so thank you very much. We are joined here today by the British High Commissioner, yes, at the ceremony, and she is seated already.
So very much, so I don't want, and then once go to her, shouldn't pay for, so I don't do everyone come. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
The show said it was a member saying, so I don't know how every day, how many of us are more graceful. This time, pen to be, you know, or the one more cover, or the two for the last.
What currently ongoing is an exchange of pleasantries. Well, it's important for us to understand the tradition that is ongoing. And so I have with me here Dr. from the Asantehene Council, Asante Council, who is going to help me interpret what we are experiencing now here at the ceremonial grounds.
Yo, if you're dream, I don't mind him, go mind him, it's your name, running for. Say, young woman, put for a papa, and then I'll say, a cosso. On what day, then you make up on one put for a papa. Two for a chairman, so Aji, it is our brain. I'm an Indian one, a cosso. Say, we will fear, woman in Sue, Obisam Panso.
Yo, Nana, they may be known into no urban critical about fancy chromoka fancy, urban critical, Mama on check, na me pull along, lay a change, such as it. That's it. Please, if you are a media person who is accredited, I understand you are blocking the view of Nanano, so you may kindly position yourselves well. If you can squat or move back, we will appreciate that. You cannot block Nanano, so please do diligence to this one. President, who is now the deputy presidential candidate, I should say, he is the deputy president or the vice president of Ghana, and the presidential candidate join us here.
And also the running mate of the NDC, Professor Nanaji Kwarteng, and the regional chairman, I see the Western Union Communications Officer of the NDC, all Greeting Asantehene the second. Together with the greeting Asantehene Professor Manager of the World. That's Professor Manager. Being accompanied by officials of the NBC. Greeting Asantehene Dr. Asaka, the second Odehyie. So the regional chairman of the NBC, Chairman Aseibu, with the team, being led by Vice Presidential candidate of the NBC, Professor Nana J. Opoku Ajima. Alexa Befia also. And so, the Vice President of the Republic and the presidential candidate of the NPP, also Dr. Mahmoud Babia, together with his running mate, Dr. Matiku Kuprempe, and the MC for Cape Coast, and for many of you here, you prefer to refer as the mayor of Cape Coast, Honorable Ernest Alpha. I see Nana Baffour, who was part of the team. I see National Organizer of the NPP, Henry Nana Boachi, General Secretary, Justin Kudiafrepo, Deputy Minister in charge of Lands and Natural Resources, and Member of Parliament for Takwanswai, George Bretuba, Mayor of Kumasi, the city also, Sampai, I see Member of Parliament for Sekedi, and Tourism Minister, Andrew Ejapamesa.
Well, the Minister for Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Honorable Stephen Kwarteng, is also here, accompanying the Vice President.
So very soon the program will begin. We are about to officially begin the program, and we will entreat political parties and politicians to please be aware that this is a traditional event. Please, this is a traditional event in honor of the people of Cape Coast, the 60th Fetu Afasha. So, yes, you have been invited and have greeted Osaberima Dr. Kwesi after the second. Can we please resume our seats and let the program officially begin? Thank you.
Well, at this point, the Vice President wants to pay homage to His Royal Majesty Otumfuose to the second. And likewise, Professor Nanaje Nkokwajima will also pay homage to Asantehene Otumfuose political parties now this is a traditional event.
Grand Deba of the chiefs and people of Oga as they mark the 60th feet of fashion. The Shrawanara, rally into political party flags. One from Brefo. Muslim would be political party flags. One from Brefo. Now, Yenshi program last. Muslim. We cannot accept this. We beg you.
It's our Biara and you're accredited to be here. Kindly move away.
And please, all your party flags, be our. Muslim. Please, this is not a party gathering. What's wrong? One flags in your umbrella. Flags in your umbrella. We will not accept that, I'm sorry. This is a grand deba of the chiefs and people of Cape Coast, Ogaman, and not a campaign platform. I'm sorry. So, no party flags. What's wrong?
all politicians take their seats.
And the show is about to begin. So if we can all be seated, we are about to start. So let all assume their seats. Let all assume their seats as we start the program. Shall we please be seated? And for all of you who are gathered, please be seated. As I indicated, you brought the view of Aseibu Dr. Kwarteng II. So please, let's be seated.
While the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, is still paying respect to the people gathered here, is still exchanging pleasantries, and will soon occupy his seat.
We're about to start the program very soon. We'll have the opening prayer. Fast behind time. Let's show you the program officially. Get them payable as special. Obiara. Baby nonsense. Oyada. Aseibu Dr. Kwarteng II. Why a crowd?
While also receiving the Right Reverend Richardson Awadi Anjam, who is Bishop of the Methodist Church of Ghana, Cape Coast Diocese, and also the regional chairman for the National Peace Council, to do the opening prayer. Reverend, please be getting ready. At the same time, Omanchiame, Kofi Benya, Obaya Amanfi, Obogun Saka Pranti, Pomperia, Nayazaka Semuna, Omanchiame, Benya, Hawaii, Jamama. Will soon be paying homage to His Royal Majesty Otumfuo-Osei II. Indeed, we have esteemed personalities join us here this afternoon. The Executive Director for Panafest and the Diasporan Coalition, Rabbi Oheneba, is here with us. From the Ghana Export Promotions Authority, Deputy CEO Samuel Kofi is also here with us. The Deputy CEO for the Mineral Belt Development Authority, Vincent Yao-Frimpong-Menu, is also here with us. We also have the Director for Global Petroleum Commission, Kevin Taylor, here with us. Bishop for the Catholic Archdiocese of Cape Coast, Arch-Emeritus of Cape Coast, Matthias Ketua Ketia is here with us. The regional high commander is also here. Our local media crew, aka Chala, is going to pay homage to Omari, Aseibu Amanfi II, and of course to His Royal Majesty. DC, Kwarteng, and here with us. Who is here with us this afternoon? The CEO of the National Authority, Asantehene, is also here with us.
And we're told that the 2024 Ghana Sustainable Games are also here. And join us here to show you about and celebrate Festival of Fashion 2024. Thank you very much.
The Chief Justice is the High Court Justice Emmanuel.
Okay, so we are starting. Bear in mind that time is not our friend. And I don't stay here for late. So we have to start. I will start with the opening prayer. And we'll please urge the traditional drums. We'll urge you. Yes.